Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can attach brand sending domain in Klaviyo with Godaddy. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a side menu. In that menu, you have to select Settings, then click on Account, and after that, go to Domains. Now, once you're inside the Domains section, click on Connect Domain. Here, you'll need to enter your domain name. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once you're done, click on Continue. Klaviyo will now generate some DNS records for you, which include SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These records are important, so copy them and keep them ready. Next, head over to Godaddy and log into your account. Inside Godaddy, go to My Products, select your domain, and click on DNS. This will open the DNS settings, where you can add new records. Here, you'll start adding the records you copied from Klaviyo, first the SPF record, then the DKIM record, and finally the DMARC record. Make sure you paste the exact values without any mistakes. Once all records are added, go back to your Klaviyo dashboard and click on the Verify button. Now, in case your DNS changes haven't updated yet, don't worry. Sometimes it takes up to 48 hours for DNS to fully update. You can come back later and verify again. No need to do anything else in the meantime.